face right now, smiling at you, Nadine. And of course, James, sino yung tagatid Pasko mo?
Angelo Padenas. Yes. He's always finding, sobrang hectic yung schedule ko. She always finds time for me to spend with my family. So, love you, Karen.
And that's right. And every one of those people that you mentioned about bringing happiness to you, every holiday season, nandito nga po sila. Kaya naman, kayo, brought to you by Coca-Cola. Maligayang, maligayang, maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat!
Napakasarap ng Pasko! You get to make your loved ones feel even more loved on this special day. Pero buong taon, nagpapasalamat kami sa inyong lahat. Our celebrities and actors are having their pictures taken with their tabatis.
That's right, for me, back on stage.